Hi, teacher Viviana. We hope you are all doing well. And today we're going to talk to you about our maze project.
This project is a simple game created use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The player controls a mouse that must move through a maze to reach what appears to be the exit. HTML is used to organize the structure of the page, including the maze layout and the mouse's starting position. CSS defines the visual design of the maze and the character. JavaScript handles the game mechanics. It detects the player's game presets, blocks movement through walls, and rows moves to advance only two open paths. It also manages the detection of the point.
The mouse reaches the supposed exit, the game triggers an unexpected ending. Instead of escaping, the mouse falls into a trap set by humans. The project combines exploration, basic logic, and a twist ending within a simple web-based game. Okay, teacher, that's all. Thank you for your attention.